welcome to the vlog. So I'm going on a light trail today. Very exciting. So I'm wearing all of the things and I've got a coat to put on as well. Feeling a little bit unwell, so if you can hear it in my voice, that's what's going on. I'm dust the nines. But I'm gonna go drive and meet my friend there now, so I hope you enjoy, and I will be doing a voiceover, so enjoy. I hope you like the pretty lights, and obviously here's your warning, it's going to be bright and flashy, so come along with me, first of the Christmas vlogs, yay! So today was my first ever experience going on a light trail, and I went with my friend Charlotte. We try and see each other as much as possible, and yeah, it's just been really fun doing some like extra fun experiences. I've always wanted to do a light trail but just never have, and as a first experience, this was honestly one of my favourite activities to do this time of year, and there was some really interesting things going on here as well. Like, what is going on here? Like, what is going on? And honestly, I am someone that's so visually stimulated. I'm such a visual person, so having like lots of flashing lights and beautiful colours and everything like that, it really just hit home for me. Like, it felt like I was seeing the most beautiful thing in the entire world. It really like scratched something deep inside my brain. I'm telling you that. And it was really interesting walking around this park, like it's a local park, and seeing it like all lit up at night. Like, it felt like a completely just different experience, like a different place. They even had like this wishing well where they gave you like a 2p coin and you could like throw it into this funny looking wishing well and make a wish. And it was just like the little things like that just is so much fun. If you've experienced a light trail, definitely let me know in the comments and what your experience was, because I'm not sure if they're all like this, but this one it felt kind of cute, like unique. There was a lot of random things going on, but it was just so much fun. Like, for example, look at this, there is a silent disco. Like, how cool is this? It's so extra, it's so fun, and it's just like the little things. I'm definitely trying to kind of just enjoy life a little bit more and just really slow down this year, just to kind of appreciate the little things a lot, like a lot, because it's so easy to go through life and just kind of just like go day by day, and then all of a sudden you get to like this time of year, like we're about to enter 2026, and it's just like, what have I done this year? Like, what have I actually done other than just like survive? And I think nights like this, where you're actively just having an experience, really changes and shifts your perception of like your reality and how beautiful the world can be. Because like, look, like us little humans made things like this. Like, it's such a beautiful way to experience life, and it kind of goes into romanticizing life as much as you possibly can, enjoying the small moments. And I totally would have went to this alone if my friend didn't want to come with me, because I've definitely entered that stage in my life where I'm just like, I want to experience everything. I want to love and appreciate everything that I can, because life goes by so fast. So if you're in a stage of life where you feel like that too, please don't feel like you have to wait for other people to enjoy your experiences, enjoy your life, because if you end up waiting, like, when does that waiting end? And yeah, honestly, end of tangent. But look how beautiful, honestly. It was just the most incredible experience, and this was definitely getting towards like my favourite part of the evening, was looking over this lake and seeing all of like the lights, and they look like fireflies, and it was just the most incredible experience. You know, when you see something with your own eyes and you're just like, there is no way that this is reality. Like, there is no way. Like, when I was taking videos, I was just like, it just doesn't translate as beautiful as it is in person. Like, it felt like I was looking at something like so fascinating. And you might be like, Tabby, like, calm down. It's just some pretty lights. But honestly, if you don't romanticize your life, you're missing out, because I'm telling you, it's so much better this way. It's so much better. And I'm honestly just so grateful for these like little tiny moments. Like, I really feel like this is what like a soft life really means, just like choosing peace wherever you can, just seeing the beauty in everything that you like is surrounding you, even in everyday life as well. Like, it's a practice. Like, the more you find joy in the small things, the more beautiful the world is. And look at these trees, right? They had butterflies on them, like butterflies made out of lights. How cool is that? That's so cool. And they had this fountain which like came out the same timing as like the beats of the songs. So cool, so cool. It was such a fun experience. I really recommend if you haven't been to one before. I just got back a little while ago. I went with my friend Charlotte and we had a really cute time. It was so fun to do something different. We both said how like it was just so cute. We didn't really understand the audio that was over the top of the whole experience. It was like kids singing and then there's like random stories from our town of people. So I'm not really sure what was going on there. But it was really fun. It was my first time at a light trail as well. So it was nice to have like a new experience. I thought it would be more festive than it was. It was really wholesome, really cute and really pretty, and it was very grounding, but it wasn't very festive. I thought there'd be like some Santas and stuff, but I don't think there was anything like that. But it was cute. I had a nice time. So yeah, there's my little vlog for today, a little bit different. I hope you enjoy along for it. I'm Tabby, I'm sending you so much love, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!